going to learn about the coastal plains animals of North America. The swamps of Louisiana, the Florida Everglades, and the long sandy beaches of the Atlantic coast are all features of this relatively flat region of the United States. Although much of this area is now heavily populated and land is used for farming and industry, there is still plenty of wildlife in the natural regions that remain. Alligators and many kinds of turtles and fish live in the swamps, and huge flocks of birds stop off on these coasts on their journeys to and from wintering grounds. There's a pond slider turtle. And then we have the marshland birds. This is a heron. Reed beds in freshwater marshes are home to birds such as the black-crowned night heron, which nest and shelter here among the reeds. Here we have the great blue heron, which is up to 3 to 4.5 feet tall and a wingspan of up to 7 feet long. It eats fish and small animals, which makes it a carnivore. It lays 3 to 7 eggs, and it lives in North America, West Indies, Central America, northern coast of South America. Next we have the cottonmouth. This large snake spends much of its life in water and is fairly common in swamps, rivers, and wetlands in this area. It kills fish, frogs, and birds with its venomous bite. It is a carnivore. Snake. The alligator. Small prey is swallowed whole. The alligator is the top predator. The American alligator can catch and kill more or less anything in its powerful, toothy jaws. It lies in wait in the water, only its eyes and nose visible, ready to reach out to catch prey. The American alligator is 6 to 19 feet long. It eats fish and other small vertebrates. It is a carnivore. It lays 20 to 80 eggs, and its home is southeastern United States. Large areas of bamboo known as cane brakes once grew along streams and creeks in this area, but only scattered patches now remain. Many kinds of birds and small mammals shelter here to hide from predators, and caterpillars or butterflies and moths feed on cane leaves. There's the giant bullfrog, the northern cardinal, Swainson's warbler, a swamp rabbit, a Creole purlei, which is the butterfly, an indigo bunting, which is the bluebird, the Louisiana water thrush is this small bird, and then you have the yell kipper moth and the golden mouse. The snail eater. Snails are the main food of the Everglade kite, and its beak is perfectly shaped for this diet. The bird holds the shell in its talons, then inserts its beak to twist out the flesh. A sea cow, or manatee. The gentle manatee, also known as the sea cow, lives in coastal waters and enters estuaries and rivers in Florida. It feeds on water plants, including seagrasses and algae, so it's an herbivore. The armored armadillo. The body of the 9-banded armadillo is protected by bands of heavy horn, making it very hard to attack. It roots around on the ground for insects and also swims well. The armadillo. Elegant egret. This beautiful member of the heron family lives around salt marshes and ponds as well as along coasts. It feeds on small shrimps and fish, which it seizes in its long, slender beak, making it a carnivore. The snowy egret is 20 to 27 inches long and eats insects, fish, and other small animals. It has 3 to 5 eggs and lives in the southern United States into Central and South America. And that is all we have today for the animals of the coastal plains. Tomorrow we'll talk about more animals from different regions of North America.